gang? Welcome back to the channel. I am the Dog Father and this is Barbecue Boulevard with the Dog Father. Now, believe it or not, we are almost through this summer. I know it went by super fast, at least it did for me. Don't know about you, but we've made a lot of fantastic things throughout the summer, but the one thing that I have not made yet that I cannot let the summer end without making for you guys is a smoked burger. So today we're gonna make us a smoked burger and we're gonna do it Dog Father style. So hey, let's get into it. All right, so to get started with this recipe here, we've got our burger patties. Now, basically, I formed these burger patties myself. I had about 3 pounds of ground beef, and to that I added about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now, that mayonnaise just helps it be a very moist burger, and you know, it just makes it good. So it's added fat to this ground beef, so it's absolutely going to be fantastic. But we went ahead and added the 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We formed it into the meat, and we have to keep it kind of loose. We don't want it to get, you know, very tough for us. We want a nice, juicy, loose burger. So basically, we just kind of worked it through, and then we formed them into 8-ounce balls. Now, because I'm doing half-pound burgers, that's why we went with the 8-ounce balls. And then we formed them into the patties, which is what we've got right here. All right, so we're gonna get these patties all seasoned up here, and today we're gonna be using the Pit Boss brand bold burger seasoning. So we're gonna season these guys up pretty liberally, making sure we get all sides of it here. All right, we'll pat that seasoning in, flip them over, and I'm gonna get the other side seasoned as well. Alright, so we got our patties all seasoned up and they're ready to go on the grill. Now today we're going to be using our Pit Boss Navigator 1600. So we're going to get these guys on. We're going to be running at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're also running the Competition Blend Pellets. So let's get these burgers on. Alright, we'll get the grill open here. Alright, so we're going to get these patties put on here. And again, I was very intentional with being very loose with these burgers. I didn't want them to get tough on me here. So we got to be very careful to try to keep them so they don't fall apart on us here. So we're going to be kind of gentle as we put them onto our grill. And if they're very soft and kind of losing form when you pick them up, you just kind of form them back the way you need them to be. I'm going to slide them right on. All right. So our patties are now on the grill. We're gonna close this up and bring it back here in a second. All right, so we got these burgers on the grill smoking away again at 275 degrees. And guys, I gotta ask you, when you do your burgers, how do you like them? Do you like to smoke them like this, or do you do smash burgers? I know everybody loves a good smash burger, and I do too. But sometimes I gotta have that good smoked burger. But I wanna know, what is your preferred method for making your burgers? Pop that down there in the comments section and let's get a discussion going. All right, back to this cook. All right, so we've been going here a little while and our burgers are coming along nicely. So we're gonna see if we can get them flipped. We're gonna use our Pit Boss Big Head spatula here. And yeah, try to get these things flipped over for us. All right. Coming along. All right, so we got our burgers flipped over here. We're gonna let them keep going. They're almost to completion here. Again, ground beef, you're looking for 160, 165 degrees internal temperature Fahrenheit to be done. So we're gonna go a little shy of that, probably around that 158, 159 degrees, and let the carryover finish for us. And hopefully we'll have a nice juicy burger, but we're gonna close this up and I'll see you back at the block. All right, so we've got our burgers off of our grill. Again, I smoked mine up to about 158, 159 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature and let the carryover finish it up for me. And we got them off the grill and we let them rest. And now we're able to put together a burger here. So let's put together a burger and let's taste this because I know it's gonna be good. All right, so here we've got all of our fixings that's gonna go on our burger here. And here we've got one of our fantastic burger patties here set aside so we can get this constructed. And so the way I like to build my burger here is I like to get the lettuce put on first. So we're gonna go on with a little lettuce here on the bottom side of this burger. And this is gonna act as a barrier to help keep that bread, that bottom bun, nice and pliable for us and not to get soggy on us. All right, so we got our lettuce on here. We're gonna go on with our tomatoes. I'm actually gonna get some thinner slices of tomatoes there. We're gonna get 3 of them on here. Let's get 3. All right, now we've got our lettuce, we've got our tomatoes. We're gonna come with our burger, all right? So we're gonna place our burger on here just like that. Give it a little press. All right, so we got the burger on there. We gotta come with the cheese. We're here in Texas, we're going bigger and better. So we're going double cheese onto this burger here. Now you could absolutely take this cheese, put it on the burger while it's on the grill and melt it down if you like. It's a preference thing. Whatever you decide you want to do, it's never going to be wrong. All right, so next up, we're going to get a couple of onions here. We got to have that little sharp bite from the onion there. So we're going to get us a nice little bit of onions there, and then follow it up with some pickles here. All right. I happen to be a pickle fan, so I go a little extra on my pickles. Just me. All right. So now we've got that on there. Let's get some ketchup on. All right, we got the ketchup on there. Man, this is smelling fantastic already. And then we're just gonna take our top bun and we're gonna set it on there just like that. And there, my friends, is the burger that we've got. Fantastic looking burger. All right, so there's a good look at this burger there for you guys. And I think it's time for us to go in and taste this bad boy. So let's check it out. All right, cheers. Man. Oh yeah. Gang, I gotta tell you, that is one fantastic tasting burger. We got a great smokiness there in the meat from the smoking on the grill. And then that seasoning, man, it's salt, pepper, and butter. So I'm calling it SPB. But that salt, pepper, and butter and that rub really works well with this ground beef. Excellent burger, guys. Hopefully you'll give this one a shot. But hey, as usual, guys, if you found some value in this, or you're at least entertained by this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up on this one, subscribe to this Pit Boss channel, and make sure you go check out all the content on this channel by all the fantastic talent, because we love making this content for you guys. All right, I'm not going to overtalk it. This burger is really calling my name, so I'm about to get into this burger. So smoked burger on the Pit Boss Navigator 1600. You know it's good. See y'all in the next video.